at Bird Paradise. Ooh, I'm so happy. And I hope they have everything I want. There's so much shows. I really like it, and there's so much birds. There's kind of scary ones. There's a one that was looking at me. I got scared, and we went in. We saw penguins, literally penguins. Okay, guys, I'm not joking. Penguins. I'll show you if you. I will show you if you want to. Penguins, and so we saw them swimming. And that's my little cat. My little cat. And okay. Let me just continue saying that. Okay. We saw penguins swimming. We saw penguins walking. Okay, I'll show you. What's up, guys? And we're somewhere at penguins, and I'm gonna show you some penguins if I only see some penguins. Okay, just keep your eyes peeled. Oh, a penguin. Oh, let's see some more penguins. And where's the penguins at? Okay, can you see some penguins? Oh, I just saw one there, and let's see. Let's search for more penguins. Like, I really love penguins. Let's search. Okay, the other penguin. Cute. Oh, look at there. There's another one. There's two of them. Oh. If you like penguins, like and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. Hello guys, okay, anyways, let's go to that. There's a penguin. There's a penguin there. See this penguin? I told you. Downstairs. I told you there's a penguin swimming. I hope you see that. If you don't, there's lots of penguins. Anyways, bye.
They are excellent flyers and they can catch prey in mid-flight. We're not going to toss any animal up in the sky for him to catch today, but we have three. Alright, we're going to go up in the air and count on 3. 1, 2, 3, up he goes! Let's give it up for August together with Axel and their trainer, Sarah. Good job there, Orange. Look at how handsome he is. Bye, Orange. Back to Axel.
about D, administering eye drops to Susie. Susie has got severe cataract on her left eye, so she needs to have eye drops administered every day. Alright? And over here we've got
So guys, we're going back home, and make sure to like and subscribe to every of my videos. You'll be my favorite YouTuber. Not YouTuber, like my mostest favorite subscriber. Like, I really appreciate you because you're liking and subscribing. Only a little bit people are commenting my videos. Only one video, only 3 people commented. So please comment it. Now on, we're gonna make a secret word. Today's secret word is feel happy. So comment if you're feeling happy for me. So bye, I'll see you in the next video.